Hey, how's it going out there? Welcome to the channel. We're going to be making honey walnut shrimp today. This is not my recipe, so please don't kill me in the comments. I'm going to be using seasoning salt mixed with black pepper here. Toss to combine. Crack a couple yolks for your egg wash. Dump some cornstarch into a large mixing bowl. Now as the oil gets to temperature, I'm going to be using these Lay's honey barbecue chips as a breading for like an extra crunch. Throwing them into the food processor and setting aside in a separate bowl when ready later. Now for the candied walnuts. In a separate small pan, bring it to medium-low heat and add in your walnuts as well as some sugar. Not this much sugar, which is an accident, but about half of that, and stir every few minutes. Okay, moving on to the base of the recipe. In a large mixing bowl, add at least a half cup of Kewpie mayonnaise, a quarter cup of honey, and around 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Mix it well. Remember to store it in the fridge if you're not ready to serve just yet. I thought it needed a little acidity, so I squeezed some tangerine. Now that your oil is at 350 degrees, we're ready to dredge and deep fry our shrimp. You want to use cooking oil with a high smoke point like grapeseed or peanut oil. And allow them to cook for 2 to 3 minutes because these are large shrimp. Medium shrimp cooks in like a minute. I'm going to be doing the cornstarch batch first because once I dip the honey barbecue breaded shrimp, it's going to darken the frying oil. The extra crunchy honey barbecue shrimp can cook for an additional 30 seconds. Once you're done frying, grab your candied walnuts, combine them with your sauce. Adjust the sauce if needed. I thought it could use more mayo. And mix it again. Grab some shrimp and add it to the bowl. Stir it all up and get that sweet sauce on every square inch. It's so good. Man, this was a hit with my family. I'm definitely gonna make this again. Thanks for watching, and until next time, guys.